that for you.
No, it's okay. Actually, parang workout ko na rin to dahil sa stress sa office. Yeah.
Oh, question. What's it like being the new OIC of Flex?
Well, exhausting. It's like everyone's watching your every move, your decision, every decision, waiting for you to commit a mistake. It's just so hard to handle all the pressure and expectations, you know?
Alam mo, ikaw, kaya mo rin naman yan no? Kayang-kaya mo yan. You're actually the most overachieving girl that I've ever met. And I'm sure there's nothing in this world that you can want and that you will never get.
Wow. Oh. Excuse me. Oh, it's my mom.
Oh, go ahead.
Hello? Hi. Do you know where the canteen is?
The canteen. It's actually on the second floor. Diretso ka lang dito and then you'll see the elevator.
Thank you. Would you like to join me?
Thank you, but actually with someone.
I thought you were just alone. Unfortunately for you, he's not alone. Pero pwede ka pumunta sa basement. Dun yung mental health department. Siguradong may mahanap kang makasama doon. How desperate. God.
So mean. So harsh. Well, parang hindi pa naman ako sanay, no? Actually, do you remember the time nung sinungita mo yung date ko and then she actually walked out on that event?
Oh my God. Naalala mo pa rin yun? Tagal na nun ah.
Well, it's not easy to forget, you know? It's the first time I met you. No, Diana, you look amazing.
Naku, naman binawala mo pa ako. Asan na yung kontrata ko?
Nasa loob niyan yung kontrata mo sa amin sa SGC at ng mga napagkasunduan natin. As of now, hindi ka na empleyado ng Saucedo Group of Companies. Pero syempre makukuha mo pa rin yung salary mo sa lahat ng mga buwan na nagtrabaho ka para sa amin. I-retract na namin yung kaso na sinumpan namin laban sa'yo. Simple lang dahil pumayag kang makasama ko hanggang 7 p.m.
6.
Then 6 p.m. Mag-a-alarm yung phone ko na eksaktong 6 p.m. Ibig sabihin nun, tapos ang araw natin magkasama.
So, anong plano mo?
Simple na naman ang gusto ko eh. Gusto ko ngayong gabi kalimutan muna natin mga pinanggalingan natin. Na hindi ako si Inigo Saucedo. Hindi ikaw si Diana Casetas Alcantara. Yun lang, mga normal na tao lamang tayo. Simple. Walang problema, walang kahit ano.
Ang dami mo ng arte. Kailangan pa talaga gawin lahat yun?
Diana, kaya lang naman tayo nasa sitwasyon na ito dahil sa mga pamilya natin eh. Mga mortal sila magkaaway. Gusto ko lang naman na ngayong araw na to, kalimutan muna natin yan.
Your wish is my command.
So, patak ni Metro. Time starts now.
Masarap.